a box. Unfortunately, in this video, it's not going to be opened. Why? Because in this box is my third, one, two, three, third set of Shure Aonic 50 headphones. Third set is being returned because they're defective. Pair 1, back in May, crapped out. They lost Bluetooth connection. I sent them back. Of course, I paid for the shipping to return them. Not a big deal. They sent me a new pair. The new pair lasted about 25 days. They failed in the same way. Bluetooth connection loss. Couldn't reestablish connection at all. Same thing with the first pair. So, once again, I sent them back. Of course, I paid for the shipping. They came back to me. They were unrepaired. What happened was UPS screwed up. They destroyed the box. So, luckily, there was enough information in the box. They sent it back to me. So I didn't know any better. And I contacted Shure. I'm like, what the hell did you do? You sent me my broken headphones back to me. In the end, it got all straightened out. And I had Shure give me another label because I wasn't going to pay another $22 to have ship them out again. It wasn't going to happen. So they were gracious enough to email me a shipping label. So that was all good. So they did what they had to do. Sent me another pair. So in here is the third pair. The third pair, when I got them, they lasted 13 hours. And they just died. No power, no charge. So, contacted Shure again for a warranty claim. I told him, I left a little note. I says, third pair, no power, no charge. Email me shipping label. Oh, they're like, oh, no. We don't email shipping labels. So then, I got into it with them. I says, this is the third pair of headphones on warranty that failed. I says, you must be sending me all the junk and garbage out of your query. So it's like, the only way I'm going to spend another $22 for shipping to return to you is full refund. Well, they changed their tune real quick. Emailed me a shipping label. So now, all I have to do is drop them off for another warranty claim. So they wanted to know what kind of charging apparatus I use. I says, I use an Anchor. He says, well, we're going to have to pass that on to our tech support. Make sure it's a qualified, charging procedure. I'm like, what kind of bullshit is that? I says, if it can charge snowflake apple crap, it should be able to charge your headphones without destroying them. So I haven't heard back. It's been a couple of days. Whenever I, make the trip up to drop these off to get another exchange, and we'll see how long they last. So, being that this is the third time, and being a reviewer, I says at this point, for myself, I says I can't recommend the Shure Aonic 50s to anybody for a long duration, long haul usage, because they're not going to work. They're not going to work that long. They fail within 30 days, 25 days, or 13 hours. It's like, something's wrong. I don't think they're going to fess up to it, other than just keep this back and forth of return shipping for warranty claims. So, if you're in my situation where your headphones either lose Bluetooth connection or just die, just you know, when you do your warranty thing there on the website there, that you know you can leave a note saying that you're not going to pay for return shipping because you know once, twice, you know that's okay on you, but after you know 2, 3, 4 times, it's time for them to pay because they're issuing out junk. So as for right now, I can't recommend Shure Aonic 50 headsets because they're junk. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.